Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making pocho. This is a native soup and it can be eaten with any swallow of your choice. So we're making it with goat meat. So we're just going to partition the goat meat that we're going to be using for the soup. So remember the soup mix that I made with nune by pepper salt from my other video. That's going to be the base for this soup. So once as you can see, it's all boiled down. So we're going to just reduce the part that we're using for this particular soup. And remember that it already has pepper. Pocho is basically red stew, but what sets it apart is this nune and by. So we're going to be adding the pepper mix now. Just pepper and onions, additional pepper and onions. Remember that the mix already had pepper and onions, so we don't want to overpower it. So if we're doing this the reverse way, I would be adding by nune and onions into the pepper. So it's just basically the same thing. So that's what I just did, and then I'm going to add our parboiled meat with meat stock and then leave it to boil. Which is very straightforward. It's very straightforward. It's usually paired with other soups as well. It can be paired with ewedu, egusi, atevi, any kind of soup at all. It can be vegetable soup, bitter leaf soup. It can be paired with it, and it's very easy to make. You just throw everything in and just let it find its way. So we're going to season it, even though the meat stock had seasoning, but because this has much more water and much more pepper, we're going to season it and then let it boil and make sure it tastes nice. That's about it. So anything at all you can add. This is my favorite soup to take a swallow. I don't know why. It's just not complicated, and apart from that, it's not every time you want to eat egusi and all those other ones. So this is something you can try. Our pocho is done, and now I'm just gonna package for our orders that are going out. Are you going to try making pocho? Because I know you will love it. I'm going to leave a link to the breakdown of the nuni and the bai and every other thing. I'll leave a link here. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the subscribe button. There are much more juicy videos for you. My name is Mde.